welcome to my channel. I have this package. I would like to make a review for this product. This product model name is V300, as you see, and this product have a 5 hit 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. This is for massage and different things, as you see. Okay, let's make a review. And this product have 10 degrees, which mean 10 levels from high pressure to low pressure, and have a tank 600 milli water, as you see. Let's test the water pressure. Now I remove the box from this the package. As you see, this is the product, and here you can put the head. Now let's make a test for the water pressure. Let's make it on the level 1. As you see, I prefer to use this one to make fresh feeling. One cup is good enough. Let's see. You will have a good and fresh feel. And let's put the head, the cup, and let's start to try. Okay, now we are ready to test the pressure. Before we start, we have this push button, which means this is stop the water, and let's start. As you see, this is level 1. Let's start. And this is level 2. This is level 4, and this is level 10. High pressure. As you see, nice feeling. Let's stop. As you see, high pressure and good quality, good product. This is very good product, high quality, high pressure. As you see, it is. I like it. If you want this product, you will find the link down below in the description. And if you want to see another review for Waterpulse, you can press here and press here, V400 Plus and V500